Digital banking is part of the broader context for the move of money to online banking, where banking services are delivered on the internet. These digital banks offer higher interest rates compared to traditional banks. There are times that it offers virtual cards, no maintaining balance, can deposit checks, buy a camera, and many more. Hi, my name is Ben, and me and my groupmates are here to present our video about the digital banking, the future of banking. Digital banking is the digitization of all the traditional banking activities and program services that were historically only available to customers when physically inside of a bank branch. Moreover, digital banking allows customers to access their accounts and services beyond traditional banking hours, since mobile apps and desktop sites are available to them 24/7. In addition to that, many consumers are turning to all digital banks because they don't need to utilize physical branches to conduct their main banking activities. Some of these digital banks also provide services that can use for internet banking, mobile apps, digital wallets, e-vouchers, money deposits, withdrawals and transfer, loan management, paying bills, and more. And we're here to provide some of the examples where you can utilize and maximize the advantages of having a digital bank. So without further ado, let's get started.
Banking can be done through digital, and it can be done with the use of different digital bank platforms. One of the transactions that we can do here is sending money. It can be either a bank-to-bank transfer, sending money from a bank to an e-wallet user, or from a bank to a remittance center. All of this can be done online with the help of digital banking.
Here are some of digital banks that we can use when we are going to send or transfer money: GCash, Union Bank, CIMB, Tonic, and many more. Here's a short tutorial on how we can send money through digital banking. Let us use Union Bank. Then click Send Money button. Here are some of the options in sending money: from Union Bank to another Union Bank account, to EON account, to other banks or e-wallet users, and to remittance center. Let's choose other banks and e-wallets. As you can see, there are three options on how you will send money to other banks. In PisoNet, the transaction must be done before 3 p.m. and it will be credited on or before 11 p.m. on the same day. In InstaPay, it has a service charge of 10 pesos. The receiver will receive the money instantly. Let us choose PisoNet. To send money, select the bank of the receiver. There are a lot of choices such as BDO, BPI, and many more. Aside from those banks, there is also a GCash to send money to an e-wallet account. After that, you need to enter the account number, then followed by the account name. You can also put an email or number of the receiver for them to be notified. Then click Next. Enter the amount of money that you are about to send, then click the Next button and it will send to the receiver instantly. Aside from that, you can also send money to a remittance center through digital bank. Click the remittance center, choose the preferred remittance center of the receiver such as Palawan Express, Perahub, Cebuana Luwilier, and LBC. You can also see the service fee for different amount of money to be sent. All you need to do is to enter the amount of money to be sent and the purpose of sending money. Click the Next button and it will be transmitted to your chosen remittance center.
Digital banking means availability of all banking activities through online. And this can be done either through your laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. Like for example, you want to eat something suddenly, and now you can order anywhere and anytime you want.
Shopping online. So, what is shopping online? Shopping online is a digital banking means to digitalize all bank operation and substitute the bank physical presence with an everlasting online presence, eliminating a consumer need to visit a branch. Want to shop but don't have cash? No need to worry and no need to withdraw because now you can easily shop online and pay online using your online banks. So here, let me show you the process on how to shop online.
Next naman natin is kapag i-check out mo siya. Dito naman, yan, dito makikita mo, i-view may shopping cart mo lang and then piliin mo lang yung mga bibilhin mo. Bawa ito. Tapos yung damit, yan, bali nandiyan dyan na. Tapos, i-check out mo lang. Yan, dito makikita mo yung mga name and then yung number na pwede kang tawagan yung rider and then yung address. Yan, nandito na. Next, andito naman, sa payment method naman, pwedeng Shopee Pay. Sa Shopee Pay naman, pwede mong parang i-transfer yung pera sa mismong Shopee. Tapos dito may link yung bank account, pwede rin sa BPI and credit or debit card. Dito mga halimbawa mga East West Bank, BPI, ganon. And cash on delivery. Sa cash on delivery naman, ito yung deliver muna bago magbayad. Sa payment center or e-wallet, halimbawa nito is Bayad Center, 7-Eleven, Emily Hair, or marami pa. Sa Google Play, pwede ka rin magbayad. Over the counter, East West Bank, Metro Bank, or China Bank, or marami pa. Sa online payment, yun din. And then, pagkatapos mong pumili dyan, just please.
How digital banking works in paying bills online. It allows customer access their accounts and services beyond traditional banking hours, since mobile apps and desktop sites are available them 24/7, just like paying bills. Let me show you the process on how to pay bills online. First, you need to open your cell phone. Then I will use GCash because this is where I pay my bills. Just click Pay Bills. Then look for what billers you have to pay. I will pay at cable internet. Then choose and then fill up. After you finish the fill up, you just click the next. Email address is optional only, so just click the next. Then check the information and then confirm. And this is the receipt. Thank you.
Through digital banking, individuals can now easily make transactions, check their account balance, or even make transfers just with a single click of button on their smartphone, desktop, or any other digital device. No more requesting or looking over paper statements or withdrawal slips any longer. You can also now buy load online through your e-money, just like this. We all know that there are lots of applications that we can use to buy load online, like GCash, PayMaya, Shopee that can lessen the payment using Shopee coins, and other innovative applications. But we can also directly load through the digital bank using CIMB. All we need to do is to fill up the loading form and confirm our number. And then choose how much load you want and click the Pay Now button after confirming it. And then select how do you want to pay your load, but we can also direct here in our digital bank. And yes, after that, confirm everything. After that, there is a 6-digit verification code that needed to be applied, and it is located in the message app, and just fill it up into your CIMB. And then after you click the pay, it will reflect to your mobile number. It will text you back that it is credited already to the number that you typed. and then the balance of your digital bank has been deducted since we load already. Aside from the examples that we have shown, there are a lot of things that we can do more in digital banking. First of all, when we open a digital bank, it will not require us to visit its branch physically, but they will only require us to take a picture of our requirements, submit a photo holding it, a birthday, your full name, your full address, and such things like that. And after that, we don't need to have a maintaining balance, but you can cash in some money on it anytime and anywhere. And it is good because there are some digital banks that is PDIC insured. So we don't need to have any worries and our money is safe and protected. We're doing it. It's very convenient, right? Since we can access it anytime and anywhere. We don't need to visit a bank or any ATM machine just to know how much money do we have. And it is very safe since whenever we open our app or our digital bank, it will require us to type in our password, an OTP, or requires a Face ID or a fingerprint. So it is very safe and our money is protected. So here is an example. Digital banking has no physical branch and all banking activities are done online. So this is one of the reasons why it can give much higher interest and it's less costly since it has no branch to operate. Before we create an account, make sure to search for the digital banks that are recognized by the Bangko Sentral of the Philippines and insured by PDIC. These digital banks may be a new technology in the future that might be a key to securing our money while it is growing through the average daily balance and the interest of it. But it is not good to store all of our money in that digital bank. Since it is pure digital, you need to have an internet connection or Wi-Fi just to access it. And even it is PDIC insured, we don't know or we're not sure if it can be hacked by someone. So it's also good to have a traditional bank to store our emergency funds or our necessities since it can be accessed and it can be withdrawn whenever we see a machine. Thank you for watching and we hope that you learned something for today. Bye!